Now that February is already here, I put together a list of the top 5 winning products to sell this month. As always, I put hours and hours of research into this video, so make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more. I found all of these products using my AdSpy tools on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and Google. I also studied the search data, the competition, and the performance for each product to make sure there was enough room for you to jump on these trends before they're saturated. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's go over this month's hottest dropshipping products. All right, guys, we have our top 5 winning products for February. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below, where I'll send you the hottest dropshipping products to sell yourself every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. With that being said, let's go over our first winning product this month. The first product that I have for you guys is this women's fleece sweater that you can see right here. And I said this sweater is among the top selling products on AliExpress this month. There are multiple product listings with over 5,000 recent orders and very high ratings. Most suppliers can guarantee 10-day shipping or less, and there's a ton of free content to start using for marketing, both videos and images. Whichever kind of content you want to create, you have all of that out there available for you. It's a unique product that will be pretty easy to scale and source user-generated content for. This product is very popular, getting over 30K monthly searches on Google when we looked up the data. This product costs you guys $9.10 on AliExpress. You can go on to sell it for $39.99, making you guys $30.89 per sale with a high profit margin of 77%. If you guys want to start running this product on Facebook, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be sweater, women's clothing, as well as fashion. So let's go ahead and take a look at another brand that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so right here we have the fleece turtleneck sweater, women's thermal fleece line turtleneck sweater. The title's a little bit too long, but this is from Wonderly. They're actually a general dropshipping store testing out this product. You guys can see they stole all of these images right off of AliExpress, but they're pretty high quality. They're decent enough to sell the product. So go ahead, slap some of those on your own product pages and you guys will be good to go. You guys can see the description right here. They use a ton of visuals divided by their different paragraphs. You guys know I like to do that in all of my product descriptions. I typically like to use GIFs, but if there's only images available, I'll throw them all on my product page just like this. So they have a pretty good description. They have the reviews down here. They don't have any reviews imported. I would definitely throw some reviews on here to get started. They have their trust badges down here, like their satisfaction guarantee, their secure checkout, and more information about their customer service. I don't see any upsells. It'd be nice if you guys can convince the customers to go through and buy like 2 or 3 of these sweaters at a time in multiple colors, offering them some sort of a quantity break or a discount. They're selling it for $44.99, marked down from the $64 pricing point you guys can see right there. Overall, it's a pretty basic product page. I would definitely clean it up a little bit, but they do a decent job justifying that $45 pricing point for this sweater. And obviously they're just a general dropshipping store, so they're not niched down. They're not just focused on clothing. They're just testing this product out. All right, so I actually found this TikTok on the Creative Center. It's an active ad running right now, and this sweater's a little bit different, but it's the same general idea. You guys can easily recreate this and run ads on it yourself. All right, moving on to our second winning product this month, we have this retractable car charger that you can see right here. I've seen this featured in quite a few viral videos over the last couple of weeks, but I said this product has been making waves on TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook ads alike. It's gotten over 10,000 recent orders with just one supplier alone, with almost 3,000 5-star reviews. This product is getting over 300,000 monthly searches on Google, and there is plenty of content out there for you to start using, and it's also easy enough to order and start making content yourself. You guys can order this product for $8.29 on AliExpress, and you can sell it for $49.99, making you guys a profit of $41.70 per sale with a very good high profit margin of 83%. If you guys want to start running this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting for my testing campaigns would be driving, cars, as well as iPhone. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video promoting it, so we can see what we can improve on when we go to sell it ourselves. All right, this is the retractable fast car charger from Evolved. They're selling it for $59.95, 40% off from their original price of $99.95. You guys can see already they have some imported reviews right here. So they have a ton of content over here. You guys can obviously tell a lot of this is just taken off of AliExpress. I'd clean this up a little bit and make it appear a little more visually appealing, especially to justify that $60 pricing point. You don't want to come across as a dropshipping store. They have a little bit of a bundle upsell right here where you guys can buy an additional charging cable for $16.95. I would definitely add some quantity breaks and a little more upsells. But other than that, they're doing a decent job. So they have their timeline right here of when you order it and when the product's going to arrive. They have another upsell right there. They have their description down here, some specs, what's included, and I really like all of this. They did a great job building this product description with all of these different GIFs, all of these divided paragraphs highlighting the features and the benefits, and ultimately what's in it for the customer. So I really like this product page. You guys can see all of the reviews down here. And overall, they do a really good job justifying that $60 pricing point. All right, now let's go over the TikTok video. This TikTok right here has gotten over 15 million views over the last couple of weeks, and you guys can see exactly why right here. It's a detailed video showing exactly how this product works and what sets it apart from other similar products in the industry. I really like this TikTok video. You guys can easily recreate something like this yourself. All right, product number 3. We can't make a winning products video in February without some sort of a Valentine's Day gift. And that's exactly what you can see right here. This Valentine's Day rose. This goes viral every single year and does numbers for multiple dropshippers. I said this is one of those products that goes viral every single year without getting saturated. Well, there's plenty of competition. This product is broad enough to find your own pocket of customers to sell to. And giftable products like this always perform well around certain holidays. And you can sell it right up until the actual holiday with 10-day choice delivery on AliExpress. It's gotten over 10,000 recent AliExpress orders and is among the top selling items this week. There's a ton of free content for you to use for your marketing, and it's currently being scaled on TikTok, Meta, and Pinterest ads with enough margin for you to jump on this trend and start generating sales yourself. This rose gift only costs you guys $7.49 on AliExpress, and you can go on to sell it for upwards of $49.99, making you guys a profit of $42.50 per sale with a really good profit margin of 85%. If you guys want to run with this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be Valentine's Day, Valentine, as well as engaged. So let's go ahead and take a look at another brand selling this product as well as a Facebook ad that's promoting it to see what we can improve on. All right, so right here we have the Enchanted Sparkly Rose from Sparkly Roses. Obviously, they are a giftable store from all of these different options you guys can see up here. They're selling it for $39.99, marked down from that $80 pricing point, and they have over 5,000 high-rated reviews on this product page. You guys can see they did a really good job tying everything in with their theme and all of these high quality images. I really like all of this. They show this product with multiple customers and show the customer satisfaction behind it. I really like that. The only thing I would change so far is all of these variants up here. I would probably narrow it down to at least 4 or 5 because you don't want to give your customers decision fatigue. That is a real thing. If there's too many options on your page, they'll simply leave your store because they can't make a decision of which one they want. You guys can also include quantity breaks and upsells to sell multiple of these roses at a time. So let's look over their description. You guys can see they have a basic description right here highlighting some selling points and features. I really like this section right here, customer videos. It shows customers opening up their products and the customer satisfaction behind each. They have some high quality images with some more selling features and all of that. They have FAQs. I really like that. I like the review section down here. I like their upsells right here, their bundle options. They do a pretty good job on this product page. It might be able to be cleaned up just a little bit, but overall they do a great job justifying that pricing point and selling this giftable rose. All right, looking over one of their Facebook ads, I found this on the Facebook ads library and they are currently scaling this, doing numbers with it. It's a pretty basic video thrown together with multiple clips that they probably took off of TikTok or any other websites, but overall they do a really good job selling this product. All right, product number 4. We actually found this product in one of my recent videos, but it just goes to show that this is a prime example of a good product to sell. This is the foot massage slippers that you can see right here. I said these slippers are going viral with only a handful of other brands selling them. They're pretty broad, appealing to multiple people with foot pain, athletes, or just people seeking stress relief. The content is pretty straightforward to recreate, existing viral trends with your own unique twist. They solve a problem, foot pain obviously, are unique, not sold in stores, and appeal to multiple demographics. You can easily create a niche store with other self-care and pain relief solutions to sell to your existing customers as you sell these slippers. There are quite a few AliExpress listings with over 1,000 recent orders and high-rated reviews on each one of those listings. They are also a current bestseller on Amazon with over 20K 5-star ratings on just one listing alone. This product costs you guys $8.17 on AliExpress. You can go on to sell it for $39.99, making you a profit of $31.82 per sale with a high 80% profit margin. You guys want to start running this product on Facebook ads? The 3 interests I would start off testing would be massage, pedicure, as well as personal care. So once again, let's take a look at another store that is selling these slippers as well as a TikTok video promoting them. All right here we have the Nexus massage slippers from Nexus. They are a niche store selling like pain relief and self-care products. They're selling this for $37. That is their main pricing point. It's not on sale or marked down from anything. I might include a sale price to compare at price just to justify the pricing point and get people to actually buy. You can construct an offer with that. They have 51 reviews, all high rated. They have their different size options down here as well as 2 different color options. Here's their description. Okay, it's pretty basic. I really don't like this. I would definitely clean up the images, have some more high quality images. I'll throw some images and GIFs into the description to expand it a little bit and then talk about the features and benefits. You guys want to tell a story throughout every description you write. You guys can always use ChatGPT to come up with some high quality descriptions. They have the reviews down here, probably taken right off of AliExpress, but overall they have a decent product page. Justifying that $37 pricing point, I'm not sure, but they have a pretty decent product page, all things considered. There's no upsells. The description's pretty basic and bland. You guys can make a much better product page than this when you go to sell them yourself, if you guys choose to. All right, this is the same exact brand on TikTok. This video right here has over 500,000 views. They have a pretty big brand presence on TikTok, making these simple videos just like this to sell all of their different products. All right, last but not least, we have our final product of the month. Product number 5 is this moon lamp projector that you guys can see right here. It's very similar to the other projectors we've seen and sold in the past, but it has its own unique twist. Instead of projecting stars and lights all over your ceiling, it projects different planets and figures just like the moon. I really like this one. So this product is in the top 20% of liked ads on TikTok this month, and there's currently only a handful of other dropshippers selling this on TikTok organic with quite a few viral videos that you guys can remake yourself. It's a simple product that appeals to the masses, and you can easily scale this on the platforms of your choice. It's currently getting over 35,000 monthly searches on Google, according to the data when we looked it up. Order it yourself and start shooting some high quality content to go viral and make a ton of sales this year. It only costs you guys $6.54 on AliExpress, and you can go on to sell it for upwards of $59.99, making you guys a profit of $53.45 per sale with a really good profit margin of 89%. If you guys want to run this product on Facebook, the 3 interests I would start off targeting in my testing campaign would be projectors, space, and moon. So let's go ahead and take a look at another brand that is selling this projector as well as a TikTok video promoting it. Okay, so we have this exact same product from Sprite Blue. They are a general dropshipping store selling in the niches of home, tech, pets, and home decor, and multiple more. The title of this product is Sprite Blue Nebula Projector Pro Plus Galaxy 12 Pack. I'm sorry, but I hate that title already. They have over 50,000 imported reviews. They're selling it for $54.99, marked down from $80. Overall, I don't like the description so far, so they could definitely clean up some of their product images over here, have some more high quality images. This just looks like they put it on their desk and just snapped a couple pictures on their phone. If you guys want to build a brand around these products, you need high quality imagery and descriptions throughout the entire product page. I like this GIF over here. It's pretty detailed. It shows exactly what the product does. So I definitely include more GIFs on your product pages. You guys can see they have a video in the description. I really like that. Can't knock them on that. The more videos, the more GIFs, the more images that you include in your description, the better. As long as they're high quality and actually related to your product and highlight some of the actual features and selling benefits and all of that. They have some decent images down here highlighting some of the features and benefits. A lot of this is just stuff that the customers don't care about. This is what they want to see right here. What exactly it does, what images it can project on your ceiling and on your wall. I would definitely include a little more UGC on these product pages to get the customers to actually complete their purchase. Because if I was just looking over this and they wanted me to buy this $55 projector, I would definitely not be convinced based off of all of this. Here's the reviews down here. It's like the one part of this product page that I actually like. But other than that, their description sucks, their title sucks. They have a good pricing point, they have reviews, there's no upsells, there's no bundles, there's no quantity breaks, there's no branding. This is a pretty poor product page, I'm not gonna lie. All right, here's the exact same product selling for another brand on TikTok. This is a viral video, and these videos always perform well when done right. The prototype versus the final product videos where you make something funny in the beginning as your hook, and then you show the actual product later on and how much it's improved. Look at this right here. They did a great job highlighting this product and selling it to their potential customers. All right guys, like always, I've already went through and found the best AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products. I'll leave this linked on the last page of this presentation. You guys can find this in the description down below. Go ahead and download this, study it, and start working with these suppliers today. There you go. Those are the 5 best dropshipping products to sell this month. Don't forget to sign up for our winning product notifications, linked down below, for more products just like these. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.